when it comes to generating videos. With artificial intelligence, both Pika Labs and Videogen have established themselves as leading platforms, each catering to different needs and user experiences. Understanding the quality of videos produced by each can help creators choose the right tool for their projects. Pika Labs, particularly with its latest update, Pika 2.2 released in March 2025, has made notable strides in user accessibility and creative features. The introduction of Pika frames has allowed users to craft smooth transitions between static images, resulting in more dynamic and engaging videos. Additionally, the newer Pika Editions feature empowers users to seamlessly integrate any person or object into existing videos, expanding creative possibilities with minimal effort. These features make Pika Labs especially attractive for beginners or those seeking a quick, intuitive solution for video creation. However, Pika Labs videos are typically produced at a lower resolution compared to some competitors. Users may also encounter occasional issues, such as minor inconsistencies in motion or visual coherence, which could affect the overall polish of the final output. On the other hand, Videogen positions itself as a powerhouse for high-quality video generation. The platform stands out with its ability to create crisp, detailed videos directly from text or images, eliminating the need for complex editing skills. Videogen's vast resource library, offering over 3 million royalty-free images, videos and background music tracks, gives creators an extensive toolkit for customization. Moreover, Videogen's advanced text-to-speech technology supports more than 150 voices in over 40 languages, ensuring a professional and natural-sounding narration for every project. While Videogen excels in video resolution and consistency, this often comes at a higher cost and may require users to possess some technical knowledge to leverage its full potential. When it comes to video style, Pika Labs leans into artistic creativity and versatility, often producing visually imaginative videos with playful transitions and unique effects. Its interface encourages experimentation, making it a favorite for creators who enjoy exploring different visual themes or generating story-driven content. Videogen, meanwhile, is tailored for polished professional results. Its style emphasizes clarity, realism, and high production value, making it ideal for business presentations, educational content, or any project requiring a refined cinematic touch. With the release of Pika 2.2 in March 2025, Pika Labs introduced Pika Frames, a feature that allows for seamless transitions between still images, significantly improving frame smoothness and saving creators time. This update supports videos up to 10 seconds long at crisp 10 or 80p resolution, elevating the overall look and professionalism of AI-generated content. Meanwhile, Videogen focuses on delivering consistently high-quality frames by leveraging a massive library of over 3 million assets and advanced text-to-speech technology, ensuring both visual and auditory elements are polished and engaging. While Pika Labs emphasizes creative transitions and user-friendly tools, Videogen stands out for its reliability in producing sharp, professional-grade frames, making it a preferred choice for users demanding the highest production values. When it comes to lighting effects, Pika Labs stands out for its innovative Peak Effects feature, which brings unique physical effects like inflate, melt and explode to videos. Creating visually striking and dynamic lighting experiences. These effects, enhanced in recent Pika Labs updates, allow users to experiment with dramatic and creative illumination. By contrast, Videogen does not offer dedicated lighting effects like Pika Labs, but its vast library and advanced customization let users achieve polished, professional lighting through careful asset selection and editing. When it comes to color quality, Pika Labs has taken a significant leap forward with its December 2024 update, introducing the Scene Ingredients feature in Pika 2.0. This allows users to blend multiple images into a single video, resulting in richer, more natural and highly diverse color palettes. In comparison, Videogen emphasizes simplicity and ease of use, but its videos often lack the same level of color, detail and vibrancy, especially in complex scenes or when precise color accuracy is required. Pika Labs currently leads in delivering visually stunning, colorful results. In summary, Pika Labs is ideal for those prioritizing ease of use and creative experimentation, while Videogen is better suited for creators demanding higher video quality and advanced customization, provided they are comfortable navigating a more complex platform.